Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebraic expression. So we have this is 9 to the power of 7 minus 9 to the power of 6. We write this algebraic expression into the simplified form, but you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. This means that we need to show all of the working on this paper. So here the very first thing we are going to do is first we focus into the exponent of this term, and its exponent is 7, and we write it as 9 to the power of 6 plus 1 minus this is 9 to the power of 6. So further in the next step here we use the nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m plus n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So according to this rule of exponents, we just break this exponent as 9 to the power of 6 multiplied by 9 minus this is again 9 to the power of 6. So you see here both of these two terms involve 9 to the power of 6, so that we will be take common 9 to the power of 6 from here, and we get the remaining values are 9 minus 1. And further you see here this is 9 to the power of 6, and we write 9 as 3 square and its whole power 6, and this is 9 minus 1 becomes here 8. So now we again use here another exponential law. You know about this law. If you have a to the power of m to the power of n, so if we interchange both of these two values, it does not affect our final answer, and it will be written as a to the power of n to the power of m. Okay, so here we just interchange the exponents. So according to this rule, we need to interchange both of these two exponents, and it will be written as 3 to the power of 6 and its whole square is multiplied by 8. And in the next step we have here first we solve the base of this term. This is 3 to the power of 6, and you know what, that the meaning of 3 to the power of 6 is that we multiply 3 with 3 6 times in this way. Okay, so you see that here we multiply 3 with 3 6 times. So you see that this is 3 times 3 becomes 9, 9 times 3 becomes 27. Similarly, when you multiply these three values, you again get here 27, and we write 27 multiplied by 27. And in the next step, we need more simplifications, and we have this is 27, and we write it as 20 plus 7. And further we multiply this 27 separately on both of these two values, and we will get 27 multiplied by 20 plus 27 is multiplied by 7. So further in the next step we need more simplifications, and here we consider this is one digit number and this is our two digit numbers. So 0 times this number becomes 0, and 2 times this number becomes 54, plus in the same pattern we have 7 times 7 becomes 49. We write 9 and carry 4. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 2 becomes here 14 plus 4 becomes here 18. So we get 189. So we sum up both of these two values. 0 plus 9 becomes 9. 4 plus 8 becomes 12. We write 2 and carry 1. And 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 becomes 7. So we obtain 3 to the power of 6 is equals to 729. So in the next step, we just write 729. We replace this value on here on this space. So when you put this to the above expression, it will be written as in this form. So our above expression becomes here 729 square is multiplied by 8. So here you very well know about that. The meaning of 729 square is that we multiply 729 with 729, and its resulting answer is multiplied by 8. So in the next step, we just write this term as this is 729, and we multiply this value as 700 plus 20 plus 9, and its resulting answer is multiplied by 8. Further in the next step, we multiply this term on each of these values, and it will become 729 is multiplied by 700 plus 729 is multiplied by 20 plus 729 is multiplied by 9, and its resulting answer is multiplied by this 8. So in the next step we need more simplifications, and here we consider first, this is first digit number and this is our 3-digit numbers, and when we multiply 0 with this number we get 0, and this 0 times this number is also get 0, and 7 times this number equals to 7 9s are 63. We write 3 and carry 6. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 6 becomes 20. We write 0 and carry 2. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 2 becomes here 51. In the same pattern we multiply these numbers, so 0 times this number becomes 0, and 2 times this number equals to 2 9s are 18. We write 8 and carry 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5, and 2 7s are 14. Plus we multiply this and this number. 9 9s are 81. We write 1 and carry 8. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 8 becomes 26. We write 6 and carry 2. 9 6 are 63. 63 plus 2 becomes here 65. So here we need to first sum up all these values, and its resulting answer is multiplied by this 8. So we add all of these values in a very smart way. So this is 0 plus 0 plus 1 becomes here 1, and this 0 plus 8 becomes 8. 8 plus 6 becomes 14. We write 4 and carry 1. So this is 3 plus 5 becomes 8. 8 plus 5 becomes 13. 13 plus 1 becomes 14. We write 4 and carry 1. This is 0 plus 4 becomes 4. 4 plus 6 becomes 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. We write 1 and carry 1. This is 1 plus 1 becomes 2. 2 plus 1 becomes 3. And at the last we have, this is 5. So here we will get here 53144 and 1. So we need to multiply this value with 8 in order to get our final simplified form of the given question. So we have 8 times 1 becomes 8. 8 times 4 becomes 32. We write 2 and carry 3. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 3 becomes 35. We write 5 and carry 3. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 3 becomes 11. We write 1 and carry 1. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1 becomes 25. We write 5 and carry 2. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 2 becomes here 42. So finally we will obtain here 4251528. So this is the our final simplified form of the given question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.